Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today's video is all about bold beauty and vibrant blooms. We are sharing 10 stunning floral cakes in bright colors, perfect for making a statement at your next celebration. The first one is electric pink pony cake. A smooth coral pink buttercream cake topped with oversized hot pink ponies. It's bright, fierce, and fun. Best pair with gold and black accent for extra drama. The next is top rainbow colorful flower cake covered in multicolor tropical bloom with like hibiscus and orchid. This cake screams summer celebration. The next is orange and red rose cascade cake. A bold red buttercream base with cascading orange and sun roses. It varies and full of passion, perfect for fairy birthdays and bold personalities. The next is cobalt blue and yellow flower cake. A rich blue base with buttercream, bright yellow sugar flower. Striking, modern, and highly Instagrammable. Add a white drip for contrast or metallic leaf for glam. The next is purple and lime green bloom cake. This surprising color combo mixes deep purple with neon green floral, bold, edgy, and unforgettable. Great for fashion forward events or aesthetic celebrations. The next is black cake with neon florals. Matte black buttercream makes the perfect canvas for neon buttercream roses in pink, orange, and turquoise. A true showstopper for night parties or creative themes. The next is bright coral and teal flower birth cake. A white base with a bright floral wreath circling the top, bursting with coral, teal, and yellow pastel. This cake forms in any setting and fits all ages. The next is hot pink and gold tied cake. Three tiers of hot pink buttercream with oversized gold sugar, roses, and leaf detail, loud, luxury, and unforgettable. Perfect for milestones, birthday, or bold bride to bees. The next is yellow bloom explosion cake, a sunshine yellow cake covered with layers of buttercream flowers in orange, red, and pink. It's a floral explosion, bright up any celebration instantly. The next is multicolor abstract floral cake, hand painted buttercream strokes in bold tones, finished with abstract typed bloom in every color you can imagine. It's part painting, part cake, all beauty. From tropical colors to neon dream, bold floral cakes bring energy, joy, and aesthetic flair of desert table. Which bold color combo would you try? Tell us in the comment below. And if you love daring cake style, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Cake Factory for more color combo ideas. Share with your creative baking friends this video, and we post new cake celebration inspiration every day. Sweet, bold, and beautiful. Thank you for watching. Let the flowers bloom, the colors shine, and the cake stand tall. Cakes Factory is always there there to bring more ideas for you. Colorful, bloomy, elegant. Every type of cakes ideas are here only on Cakes Factory. For that, you have to subscribe to Cakes Factory. See you in the next video. Goodbye.